everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. This is kind of a quick one today, actually. It only took me I'm gonna say like 10 minutes or something like that. Anyway, so I'm starting out with this blue paper because I have that photo reel paper behind. So I'm playing off the colors in that. So this embossed cardstock is from Basil. I don't know exactly which collection this is though. I challenged myself. The colors were so perfect, and I was thinking something springy because it's pretty brown in these photos, but spring was just starting in my neck of the woods. So I'm kind of playing around here with so I wanted to use that photo reel paper, which is from Reminisce Wildflower. It's a Cosmos Flower Field paper. And I was thinking about using just the blue, but there's so much pink in the background. I decided to use this pink wood paper, which is the back side of that Wildflower collection, the Cosmos Flower Field paper. And I love the Cosmos. They're one of my favorite flowers, although I have lots of favorite flowers. So anyway, these are just two pictures of me out on a walk. I've been battling plantar fasciitis for about 18 months. By the time you see this, hopefully I'm going to be running again. But I was just starting to walk again and did a really nice 3-mile walk this day. This is I was at a Scrapbook retreat, and this is near there. It's one of my favorite places. So I found a label there from Ellie's Studio. That's where that aqua label is from. And then I have these rose gold stickers. They're from that rose gold sticker. They're from the Paige Evans hashtag sticker book. I'm having a hard time talking today. And it says, enjoy the little things. And so this little thing of me taking a walk is really a big thing, because last year, at the time I'm even voicing this over in September, I really couldn't walk. I had to wear really squishy shoes. I was having just a really, really hard time. So that little thing is a big thing. So I'm going to add some more stickers. I have that flower sticker that again is from the Paige Evans hashtag sticker book. And I'm adding in another small blue label here. Just trying to get, I don't want there to only be one label. That just won't make sense. So thinking about that cell phone, because I usually walk with a cell phone. Well, I always walk with the cell phone. I found this little heart here. So I'm kind of thinking I'm going to use that. I put that on the side of my mat there, which is what I do when I find things that I like. But I might not be sure if I'm going to use it or not yet. And then I found another larger heart sticker. So I really like how that looks underneath that flower. So then I took the smaller flower sticker, or heart sticker, label sticker, I'm sorry. And I'm going to put it underneath instead of on the side like it was. It's a label sticker, not a flower sticker. Here's another one of the bigger hearts that I'm just going to add there. Kind of just that title again, just kind of moving around. I grabbed the other little heart there and added it in there. There's not a lot to say here. It's just kind of a, play on things. And I have one of my favorite hats on here. It's the color more than what it says, although the what it says is a nice memory. Then I found a little rose gold heart sticker in that same sticker book, so I added it into the side of the layout there. And I'm sorry that you can't see the bottom of this. I'm not going to really do much on the bottom, but I keep forgetting, and I tug my layout towards me so I can work on it. All right, so going old school here, guys. I'm using these paper flowers from Prima, and I'm loving adding these in. They're so appropriate with this. The color is perfect, and it's just a nice little touch. It's a different texture. Don't use that particular texture very much anymore. I used to use it a ton, but not anymore. All right, then I'm grabbing these little dots because I'm going to add, these are just glue dots, just to add the flowers in. And if you put them on the back of the flowers, it pulls the flower off, the paper off, and so you can't get it stuck. So when I use a glue dot with the Prima flowers, I tend to put it on the page somewhere where I know it's going to be covered. So that's what I'm doing there. So using some cardstock and some paper flowers here, which is pretty awesome. All right. So then I was thinking about some sort of title or something, and then I had these little dots, periods, and they're perfect for the flower centers. Decided not to do a title, just use those for the flower centers. So here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.